Okay, Year 11. This is a very short video just to give you a little bit of help with today's Year 11 assessment. You are going to be taking part in what we normally give to the Year 11s as what we call the design exam, and I know your teacher's been doing a lot of work with you to get you prepared for this. What I want you to do, first of all, which you've already sort of started on, is click on the assignment. When you've clicked on the assignment, yours should look a little bit like this. Okay, and the video you've already clicked on will be below here. I want you to download this answer sheet. Okay, so double click on it, download it. Okay, so click on download and it will open up something that looks a little bit like this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is add your name and your teaching group. So we're just going to add a text box in like so. And you're going to write your name and you're going to write your teaching group. And that's basically what you're going to do for every area where a written response is required. So if we go to the first page here where there is a written response required, we should be able to they've already actually inserted a text box in here. You can write your answers in there where required. Okay, where we move on to different questions where a drawn response is required, what you're going to need to do is draw them on a piece of paper and then take a photograph of your response and then insert that photograph onto your PowerPoint. So I would use your smartphone or a camera and then email those pictures or send them via Bluetooth or however you want to get them onto your computer. Then what we need to do is we need to insert those. So to insert a picture, we click on our PowerPoint, we click insert, we click pictures up here, and then we find our picture. So let's have a look, see if I've got, so here, let's say this is my drawn response here. I've saved this into my pictures. I double click on my picture here. I can then rotate this round, get it to the size I want it to be, and I can have this as my drawn response. Okay, obviously if you want to, you can annotate them directly onto the PowerPoint just by adding in arrows, or you could annotate them on the actual piece of paper and have those on here. But just remember, you normally only have an hour and a half for this exam. We've given you double that time just so you can upload your pictures, you can annotate them on the PowerPoint and things like that if you want to. So it's up to you how you use this time, but use this time effectively. Also bear in mind, when you're looking at the questions, the marks that each question is worth is written here by the question. So as you can see, B is worth 12 marks, quite a big section there for B. And as we go through, the marks are actually allocated for those pieces of paper. This is exactly how the exam paper would look if you were doing it physically, but we're going to be actually doing it online, so this can be submitted. First thing you need to do is read through this design brief. Okay, so you need to read through. This is what you're going to be asked to do. These are all the questions. So question A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you need to answer all of these questions. They also have the marks written down the side there. And on this answer paper, we answer section A here, section B here, section C here, and so on. Okay, so making sure you're answering all of the answers as you go through the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so there is a section for each of the questions to be answered, all the way through to G. All right, good luck, nothing to worry about. I'm looking to, your teachers are looking forward to seeing what you come up with, your creative ideas, doing some drawing and actually inserting them onto your PowerPoint. All right, once you've finished, please save the PowerPoint and then upload it to the assignment for your teachers to mark, please. Good luck.